everyone, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with you to make one snacks recipe and which is very popular, chicken Shami Kabab. You can have it with your tea or with your salad, full plate of salad, and it's very healthy as well because lots of proteins are there. So let me go ahead and start preparing this Shami Kabab. Here I took 500 gram chicken breast cut in small cubed pieces, 250 gram of chana dal, 1 medium sized onion, 4 cloves garlic, 1 inch ginger, 4 green chilies, 1 small bowl coriander leaves, salt as per taste, cumin and coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, red chili 2 eggs, 6 green elaichi, 5 to 6 cloves and small 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. Here I took 1 cup of water. I have to boil all these ingredients together. Chicken pieces, chana dal, ginger, salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. We'll add half teaspoon turmeric powder. We'll add green chili, garlic, cloves, elaichi, red chili and onion. Mix everything nicely, then cover and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes in medium heat. After 25 minutes, remove the chicken pieces from this boiled dal. After taking out these chicken pieces, I'll cook this dal for another 10 minutes in medium heat till it becomes very soft. This time I'll cook without lid. Let that liquid dries up. You can see it's dry now and check that dal is also well cooked. Let it cool down now. Once it's cooled down, we have to make the paste of this chicken and dal. I'll grind and make a nice smooth paste. I soaked this chana dal before 6 hours of cooking. Our paste is ready now. You can see it's very smooth. Everything mixed nicely. Now I'll add little bit chopped green chili and chopped coriander leaves. And I'll mix this chili and coriander leaves with this mixture. Check the salt. If you want more salt, you can add it this time. If you don't want to have a spicy chicken Shami Kabab, don't add this chopped green chili. Now time to make the kebabs. Give a nice kebab shape. Take a handful of mixture, roll it and press it. Give a nice kebab shape. Once my kebabs are ready, time to fry it now. All the kebabs are ready now, ready to fry. Before frying, I'll make that egg mixture ready. Here I took 2 eggs. Whisk it nicely so my egg mixture is ready now. Oil is ready, is hot enough. Now I'll dip these kebabs in this egg mixture and I'll fry it in medium heat. For frying, it doesn't take too long time as everything is cooked already. Same way, I'll fry all the kebabs. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes in medium heat. Then turn it and cook the other side as well. So my yummy chicken Shami Kabab is ready. You can enjoy this chicken Shami Kabab with your favorite salad. So my Shami Kabab is done. If you don't want to fry all the Shami Kababs at a go, you can save it in the fridge. Whenever you want, you take it out and you can fry this Shami Kabab. So let me go and enjoy this Shami Kabab with a cup of tea. So thanks for watching. That's all from me today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.